Are you considering a cash offer on your home to avoid the hassle of getting your home ready to sell, opening up your life to strangers, or making repairs? Plus, you may be concerned about leaving too much money on the table. Here's how the Cash Plus program works. We buy your home at full market value. To hedge our investment, we'll hold on average 8% of your equity in a contingency account. Once the house is resold on the market, if it sells for the same price, we return your contingency funds. If it sells for less, we deduct the difference from the contingency account. And if it sells for more, we'll return your contingency funds and we'll give you any additional proceeds. With the Cash Plus program, sell quickly and never leave money on the table.